Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Thursday, January 15th, 2026. Now, yesterday on the Mangione beat, Judge Garnett reversed herself. She said there is a need for a suppression hearing. It's going to be short, but it's going to involve some Altoona PD official, and it will take place on Friday, January 23rd, as many have asked. We will intending and aim to live tweet it. It'll be a follow-up to the 9 days of Altoona testimony in the state court, which we put into a book, Altoona PD, Mangione Search. Check it out. It's on Amazon and Audible. Okay. Now, on the Epstein Files, the guard, one of the two guards charged with negligence, I guess, in connection with the death of Jeffrey Epstein, was asked to confirm by yesterday whether they consent to the unsealing of their grand jury transcripts and exhibits consistent with the Epstein Files Transparency Act. So everyone's beating the drum and saying the deadline is missed. Well, according to the law and according to Judge Torres, Tova Noel had a chance to oppose it, and she has. The opposition has been filed by Jason Foy, her lawyer, and I don't know where it goes from here because you have two countervailing claims. Usually Congress would win out, but as we found out with Rule 412 in these Alexander Brothers cases, it's sacrosanct. You just cannot release that information, even redacting names. So we'll see what happens on an Epstein file. Now, we ran into a trial yesterday. This is sort of something a little different. Transition to the financial report. And what we ran into is a trial about fraud in the sports trading card and Pokemon card market. The trial is U.S. versus Curcio, and it's a guy that... We're going to pause it here. You can see some serious police bus behind me. Well, we can't escape the siren. I don't think that bus is going anywhere anytime soon. There's no amount of sirening that's going to make it happen. Anyway, the case is Curcio, and the guy, he somehow defrauded this PSA. It turns out there's a whole world. PSA rates the cards, but sometimes they tell you that it's only a 9. You sell it at a low cost, and then they jack it up to a 10. I saw that one. Anyway, right now, Curcio's holding the bag, and his co-defendant, who was also charged with him, has turned cooperator, and he will be cross-examined today. I'm hoping to continue to cover that. So, on the financial front, as the sirens continue to run with the prisoners in the bus, Fulton Financial, seeking to buy Blue Foundry, comment period expiring today. Last night, Holland & Knight, their law firm, sent us the response to the OCC, withholding all of their branch closings and also their answer to the now famous debanking question. They were asked, do you debank? And they said, see confidential exhibit. Does that mean they debank? I don't know. We've asked the OCC, which is very proud of the question, to extend the comment period so we can see what the answer is. Also, the United Nations. Well, they after a long delay, without any explanation, denied our request to enter. And we are pursuing it. We're pursuing it with people. Initially, a guy who was subpoenaed, same prisoner bus. I don't know what is really being accomplished with that sirening. But we're pursuing it. Let's leave it at that. We're going in. To be continued.